Okay, it's my sandfish setup. This is basking slash UVB slash UVA light. And all I have is a water dish. That's all you really need for them. And a cool background. That's it. Yeah, hurrah. Okay, I'm about to take them out. Hold on. Hey there guys, this is my sandfish. Pretty small. I fed them today. I fed them like 3 crickets. Fed them 2 crickets yesterday. And right now you should be fine. I can just let them swim on. So. Good. This is Chemical Epic Ghetto. This is over.